very good morning to all our viewers. You're watching the morning news show on CNN News 18 and I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria. Over the next 1 hour, we'll be bringing you all the top headlines from the nation and across the globe. At the top of this segment, we have got a breaking update coming in on the news that we broke to our viewers earlier today about a massive fire being broke out in the Ghazipur landfill. This is the breaking update that we have received. Now, politics over Ghazipur landfill fire has erupted. Delhi BJP has now attacked the Aam Aadmi Party. They have said, and I'm going to quote them here, Delhi may not have become London, but the repeated fires on the garbage mountain seems to be enough to turn the capital into ashes. This horrifying clip of the fire in Ghazipur landfill is heart-wrenching. Now, Aam Aadmi Party is in MCD. Who will you hold responsible for this? So that's the disturbing visual that we are flashing on your screen at the moment. This is from last night. Residents, of course, have also complained about the breathing issues because of the smoke there, because of that gas which got leaked, and because of which there was a massive fire in Ghazipur landfill as well. This is a major fire that broke out at the Ghazipur landfill site in the national capital on the evening of 21st April, which was yesterday. It continues to rage on, and according to the sources, we are learning that the efforts are being pushed to douse the fire as well. We have CNN News 18's Nikhil Lakhwani joining us on the broadcast to walk us through all the latest updates that he has received from the ground. Nikhil, a very good morning to you. Please tell us how far have we reached to douse the fire, and what are the complaints of the residents if they are feeling some sort of an irritation because of the gas leakage?
So actually, as we speak, we are reporting currently from the site where the fire started in the very first place. The details are suggesting that it started on Sunday, that means yesterday, at about 5:20 p.m. when first call was received for the Delhi Fire Services, and immediately many of the fire tenders were rushed to the site. As of now, as we speak, the cooling process is underway, although the stop call has not been received by those who are dousing the fire on the ground zero. But as of now, there is a lot of smoke which has completely filled this entire area, and this is something which is toxic in some way or the other, because this is a dumping site, and not the first time this kind of incident has taken place in previous years as well, be it 2023 or 2023. In every year, the similar incidents are reported, but no action or the impact of the same can be seen on the ground zero. But the initial probe suggests that because of the rising temperature in the capital city and the spot where the fire has taken place, that is the rear side. That means it is the back side of the landfill site, which is right opposite to the fish market, where the fire started. And that is the exact spot where the fresh dumping waste was being done. And because of the production of methane gas in contact with the air, this is something which triggered the fire in the very first place. But if you can see the visuals, this place is completely filled with smoke. I would urge my camera person Arpit to continue showing the visuals from this particular site. You can see that because of a lot of smoke, and this is something which is very toxic in nature, the health concerns are being raised by all the people who live in the nearby vicinity. And similar is the situation, as we are already saying, that they have been facing for years now, but no action whatsoever has been taken. In fact, in the previous years, many of the action plans, including that of committee as well, has been formed to keep a check on the fire situation, but nothing appears like to be working at this place. And this is the rear side from where we are reporting from. You can see, if you are able to, that this place is completely filled with smoke. And as we speak, although the stop call has not been received, but the cooling down process of the fire continues to take place by all the personnel from the Delhi Fire Services. But for over 15 hours now, the fire continues to be there. We need to see as to how long it will take to completely douse the fire at this site. And in a short while from now, the politics in person will also start to take place, although it has already taken place with the beginning of the fire. Yesterday only the Delhi BJP reacted in the first place, and the details are suggesting that by 9:30 a.m. this morning, the Delhi BJP chief Viren Sachdeva, along with the leader of opposition in the NCD, Sardar Iqbal Singh, they will be here in person to see the overall situation and to take a stock of the fire and as to how much the concerns are being raised by the general public. Because this is the time when the MCD is currently in control with the Aam Aadmi Party, and at about 10 a.m. there is also a press conference where Atishi is going to speak, and we are expecting the first reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party on the same. Because this is something which is which appears not very good. You can imagine the amount of health concerns and the amount of hazardous air which is currently being breathed by all those people who live in the nearby vicinity. In some way or the other, they are forced to breathe this toxic air which is coming out from the garbage waste. at the Gazipur landfill site. Back to you, Sakshi.
Request you to please stay with us. We have got a reaction coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at that first and then we'll come back to you.
करीब हमें शाम को 6 बजे हमें कॉल मिली है कि गाजीपुर खत्ते में आग है और जो है यहाँ पर जो है 10-12 गाड़ी लगी हुई हैं, 10 के करीब हैं, 4 गाड़ी ऊपर लगी हुई हैं और जो बड़े बड़े बाउज़र हैं वे नीचे खड़े हुए हैं, वे चढ़ नहीं सकते और आग बुझा रहे हैं। हाँ, यहाँ पर वाटर बाउज़र हैं, टंकियाँ हैं। वाटर बाउज़र तो नीचे ही खड़े हैं क्योंकि ये चढ़ने में असमर्थ हैं और जो है ऊपर जो है 4 गाड़ी लगी हुई हैं, कुछ खाली होकर के आ रही हैं, कुछ भर के जा रही हैं।
जेसीबी से भी मदद ली जा रही है?
हाँ, जेसीबी से काफ़ी मदद मिल रही है क्योंकि ढेर जो काफ़ी ऊंचा है, हीट भी ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पर जो है आग बुझाने में थोड़ी हीट के कारण भी दिक्कत आ रही है।
Nikhil, coming back to you, apart from the political jibes and the blame game, has anyone from the central government or the state government commented about how actually they can control the situation? Because Gazipur landfill, the mountain of garbage, is something that grows and grows every year and has been a concern for the people living around it for many years now.
Well, that's right, Sakshi, and we are witness of the same because every year we report on the same story around this time of the year, and this is the first fire for the year 2024. But apart from the politics, no solution so far has been provided. But in the previous years, be it the year 2022 or the previous year, we have seen a lot of action plan have been made in regard of the same. In fact, the summer action plan has also, it was something which came out from the side of the Gopal Rai, who is the environment minister. But it appears like that despite all the efforts, the officials who are responsible for the same, they have not been able to successfully keep a check on the fire situation, because this is not just about a simple fire which is taking place and dousing after a while. This is something which is seriously a health concern for all those people who live in the nearby vicinity, and because of the wind speed as well, you can imagine that how this toxic air is also going to other part of the capital city, and in some form or the other, all the people who fall in the actual this point of radius, they all are forced to breathe this toxic air. This is the reason why when in the opposition, as far as the MCD is concerned, when Aam Aadmi Party was not in power in MCD, they used to raise a couple of questions on the Bharatiya Janata Party. But even though now that the Aam Aadmi Party is ruling on the MCD, the questions are now being raised by the BJP leaders as to what are the action or what are the points which have been taken into consideration by those people who are currently in power. This is the reason why in a short while from now the leaders from the Delhi Bharatiya Janata Party, they are going to arrive here in a short while from now to begin the politics from the ground zero. There is also a reaction which is expected to come out from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party as well, because MCD is the one which is being ruled by them, and this is something which is very much concerning. This is something which is not very good. We need to see as to how the health experts are also, taking the view in consideration as to how much or how longing the effect will be seen on those people who are forced to breathe the toxic air. Sakshi.
Right, Nikhil, and it's quite ironic and concerning that today we are celebrating the Earth Day and at the same time India's national capital is facing such issues. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for walking us through all those updates. Right now we're shifting